The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 24, Bodhisattva Gadgadasvara. You must not despise that world, nor think it inferior. O son of a virtuous family, the land of that Saha world is uneven and irregular, and is filled with mud, stones, mountains, and filth. The Buddha is short of body, as are the Bodhisattvas. By contrast, your body is 42,000 yojanas tall, and my body is 6,800,000 yojanas tall. Your body is perfect in its bearing, and illuminated most beautifully with hundreds of millions of merits. Yet when you go there, you must not despise that country, nor think the Buddha, Bodhisattvas, or the world itself inferior. The Bodhisattva Gadgadasvara addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, I am now going to the Saha world through the power of the Tathagata, the carefree play of the transcendent powers of the Tathagata, and the adornment of the qualities and wisdom of the Tathagata. At that time, Bodhisattva Gadgadasvara, without rising from his seat or moving his body, entered Samadhi. Through the power of the Samadhi, he caused 84,000 jeweled lotus flowers to appear on Mount Gridakuta, not far from the seat of the Dharma. The stems were made of Jambunada gold, the leaves of silver, the pistils of diamond, and the calyxes of ruby. On seeing these lotus flowers, Bodhisattva Manjushri, the prince of the Dharma, addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, why has this marvel appeared? There are a great many millions of lotus flowers, whose stems are made of Jambunada gold, leaves of silver, pistils of diamond, and calyxes of ruby. The Buddha Shakyamuni answered Manjushri, saying, The Bodhisattva Gadgadasvara wishes to come to this Saha world from the Buddha world called Kamala Dala Vimala Nakshatra Raja Samkusumita Bijna, together with 84,000 bodhisattvas as his retinue. He approaches me in homage and reverence, wishing to make offerings and hear the Lotus Sutra. Manjushri asked the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, what roots of good merit has he planted, and what merits has he practiced to attain his great transcendent powers? What kind of samadhi has he practiced?